Easy now, girl. Let's get this done. Hold still for me. Easy now, girl. There we are. A good bit for the basket.
This is a professional carding machine designed for precision encoding. Inserting the blank card initiates the encoding process. Handling this yarn requires a steady hand. Now, guide it smoothly to prevent tangles.
Threading the yarn through the heddles. Now, tensioning the warp. Foundation's looking solid. Framing is next. Good progress. On schedule. Okay, let's check the alignment. Alignment looks good. Next is the drywall. All right, on schedule. Let's check this section's progress. Foundation looks solid. Rebar is aligned. Good work. The concrete pour looks good. No cracks. Alignment on these beams is spot on. Checking this pour alignment. Looks solid, no voids. Forms are holding well.
This blanket took 3 weeks to make, and now comes the most delicate part. Watch as it's carefully cut from the loom. Every thread matters here. Now the edges get trimmed perfectly straight. This is where the magic happens. The brushing makes it incredibly soft. Look at that texture in the sunlight. You can almost feel how smooth it is. And finally, it's folded by hand. 3 weeks of craftsmanship complete. Follow to see more traditional crafts come to life. This blanket takes 3 weeks to make by hand. Pure camel wool from the Mongolian highlands. Look at this weave pattern, each thread perfectly aligned. Watch how thick this is. Softer than you'd think. The sunlight shows you the natural fibers. This worker has made hundreds of these. Placed on your bed, it transforms the whole room. Zero chemicals, just pure wool. This is what real craftsmanship looks like. Link in bio to bring this home. This blanket took 3 months to make. Every thread from this camel behind me, harvested by hand, spun into threads, woven into something that'll last generations. Look at these. Each one completely unique. The detail is insane. This is how we preserve them. Keeping tradition alive in the modern world. Every blanket tells a story. What story will yours tell?